Racing just is started. We have Aguila. Break quickly. Restart. Amiga. Rock my world. In between horses. The Lady Wins comes next. Then followed by Don Guru. Running by the rail comes Gawang Pinoy. Mandolin Wildfire Crackers is the only trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch with Aguila on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a length lead. Rock My World is right behind in second. Gawang Pinoy is running by the rail third. Amiga, the Lady Wins is on the outside. Don Guru, then comes Firecrackers while Mandolin now racing in less. Another far turn. We have Aguila by about 3/4 of a length lead. Rock My World is still in second. Moving up on the outside is Amiga together with the Lady Wins. Then comes Don Guru. Gawang Pinoy comes next. Firecrackers while Mandolin is still racing in less. And they are now entering the home stretch. Aguila by about 3 lengths. Rock My World in second. Then on the outside the Lady Wins. Last 75 meters we have Aguila followed by Rock My World, and finally Aguila. Rock My World, Amiga close with the Lady Wins. Another close finish, Don Guru and Gawang Pinoy.
Okay, bayang karurista, para dito sa ating race number 7 from gate to wire, numero 1, Aguila with OP Cortez. Ayun pong quarter clockings niyan, 7, 24.5, 24.5, finishing up to 27.5, 26.5 with a total 122.4. At meron nga po tayong photo for third and photo for fifth direct. Okay, may mga photos po tayo. So